Hello everyone, welcome back to the house, and today we will be doing a staples video. So to kick this video off, we are starting with a satin camisole. I really love this shirt. It's great for everyday use. It elevates even the most basics of outfits because the material does have a little bit of reflective shine to it. Also, it's very chic and also feminine because of the dainty straps. I like to pair this with high-waisted pants. The next item are these pants, and you guys have seen these in my videos. These are so comfy. I used to be a skinny jean all the time type of girl. Then I discovered these pants and I just don't know why. I never tried straight leg jeans. They're high-waisted, of course, because I'm petite. I gotta have my pants high-waisted. They're the perfect fit. They also end at my ankle at the perfect spot as well. And I just love the way they make my legs look, and they look amazing with a pair of strappy heels and that satin top that I have on right now. Now the next piece is this black crop top. This crop top is kind of one of those basic pieces, but it has a little something going on. You guys can see there is a detailing around the breast part. So as you can see, it looks kind of like a bra. I believe it's called a Bordeaux top. I'm not 100% sure, but I love how it kind of cinches in like it's a corset, and it cuts off right just above my belly button, which I think is like the perfect height for a crop top. Once again, very simple, very delicate. You have these straps, and it's also not too tight, and it's also adjustable. Next, we have this skirt. I love this skirt. Once again, it's another basic piece, but it has that shiny satiny material to it, so it gives the outfit a little bit of a more special quality. It's also super flowy and comfortable to wear, and the split in the side is just the perfect little detail. I would love to pair this with either strappy heels or some high knee boots. The next outfit that we have includes this satin top. You guys know her. You know her very well. I wear her a lot, and I will still be wearing her. I'm really feeling this whole satiny material this season. It's just, it's calling my name. It's calling my name. I love how flowy this top is. I can tie it. I can wear it off the shoulder. It's just button-ups with collared shirts are so versatile for me in my closet, so I definitely had to keep this one around. Next, we have this bodysuit, which is a squared neck spaghetti strap top. Once again, another simple basic that just helps streamline my outfit. Then I have my shorts. So these are kind of like a brownish, yellowish short, and it also has a belt to cinch in your waist. They come to the perfect height, and also once again they're high-waisted. Love that. Also, the belt came with the shorts, so that was even amazing because sometimes I'll take off the belt and wear it with a different clothing item. These are super easy to move in. They're not too tight and they're not too loose. Next, we have this off-the-shoulder beige top. Like I said, another basic that has something creative going on. I love this design. I think it's so fun and has a classy, elegant feel to it. It's the perfect waist length. It hits just right about at my hips, and I can always tuck it into something high-waisted. I love the way this looks with high-waisted pants. Also, it's a very comfortable material, so it doesn't feel too tight. And then this button-up collared shirt, another one. I love these. I love how versatile they are, especially in the warmer months. I love to wear this white one over bathing suits, or just simple tops and a short or a skirt look. So for this look, I tied it around my waist, and I also love the fact that it's oversized. So if I want to do the whole oversized look, I can definitely get a lot of uses out of this one jacket. Now, the next one are these sweatpants. I talked a lot about wearing sweatsuits, I guess. So I have a matching black top to these bottoms, but the bottoms are super duper comfortable. They're stretchy, they're high-waisted, and I'm short, and they cut off at the perfect spot around my ankles. And it's perfect to wear on those running errands, really chill days. And then the last thing we have are these shoes. I love these shoes because at a certain angle, it kind of looks like I don't have shoes on, or they're like barely there in certain photos and videos. Also, they're strappy heels in a brown color. And I've never had heels in this kind of color, and I'm loving that look at the moment. So those are all of my staples for this season. Thank you guys for watching this video, and also do not forget to have a great day.